Hey everyone, Chris with Unverferth Manufacturing, coming to you today from our headquarters here in Kalida, Ohio. We would like to take the opportunity to talk to you about Unverferth grain cart track undercarriages. All across North America, growers are making the investment in track undercarriages to help reduce yield robbing compaction as well as increase flotation so you can get in the field when you need to and when weather conditions are adverse. We have found that grain cart track undercarriages equate to about half the PSI of a single tire undercarriage. Studies have also shown that the investment in a track undercarriage will pay for itself after a few years. We would like to take the opportunity to talk to you about the terminology that we use to define our track systems, as well as the technology that make our track systems unique and set them apart from the rest of the industry. Now, let's go take a closer look. Let's talk about the terminology that Unverferth uses to distinguish our different track systems. First is belt width. We offer track systems with the width of 36, 42, or even 50 inches wide. Second, the number of bogies on each side of the track. We offer systems with either 2 bogies or 4 bogies. And the last thing I want to touch on and expand upon is our ground contact length. Unverferth puts our bogies and our idler wheels all on the same plane. And because of this, we measure our ground contact length from center of hub to center of hub on our idler wheels. This gives us the ability to maximize the footprint that's on the ground, as well as increase our flotation. The first design we'd like to talk to you about today is our Unverferth Equalizer track system. The Equalizer is available in belt widths of 42 inches or 50 inches wide. What sets the Equalizer apart from any other design in the industry is our cast mounting trunnion. This gives the entire assembly the ability to camber up to 8 degrees side to side. This allows us to follow uneven and varying terrains throughout the field, maximizing our footprint and increasing flotation. This also allows us to better follow the crown of the road during transport, increasing our overall belt life. Not only does this allow our 8 degrees of camber, it also gives the entire track assembly the ability to pivot front to rear up to 20 degrees. All Equalizer tracks come standard with an auto greaser. This is programmed to grease the main pivot points every hour. This includes the trunnion, the bogie pivot points, and the tensioning and alignment components. Next is our 36-inch wide traditional track. This features a mounting system that allows the track to pivot 20 degrees front to rear to follow uneven terrain. This also utilizes a centrally mounted grease bank to grease the main pivot points of the assembly. Next, we're going to talk about some of the common features on all of our track systems. The backbone to a successful track is hydraulic tensioning. Improperly tensioned tracks can lead to a point load at the idlers and the bogies caused by a ripple effect in between these components. That's why we utilize a hydraulically tensioned system with a pressure gauge to quantify the force that's on the belt to ensure it's in proper tension. This, in conjunction with the fact that our idlers and bogies are on the same plane, ensure that the belt lays flat, maximizing flotation. Our pressure gauge can be used to quantify the force that's on the belt and ensure it's in proper tension. If adjustments need to be made, we can utilize the supplied hose, connect it to our track and the tractor to make any adjustments that would be needed. The hydraulic accumulator allows the track to flex in the instance that the track would come into contact with any obstructions. Another key to our track success are our 10-bolt hubs on our idler wheels and our greasable, purgeable seals on both our idlers and our bogies. We all know tracks run in a very demanding application. That's why we utilize greasable hubs, so we can purge out dirt and moisture to supply them with fresh, clean grease. Our one-piece cast iron bogies feature a contoured inner face design to match the profile of our guide lugs, to ensure proper alignment and to maximize belt life. On all of our tracks, the bogies pivot to follow the contour of the field and to clear any obstructions. Our single point alignment allows us to adjust the pitch in the idler wheels to ensure that the belt is properly aligned. The last part to our grain cart track success is the belt. Manufactured by TrackMan, exclusive to Unverferth, it features a low-profile tread design to help maximize footprint and reduce vibration. The tread, center guide lug, and belt are molded together in one process. This eliminates the need to glue on components and makes for the strongest and longest lasting belt in the industry. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about our grain cart track systems, visit unverferth.com or see your nearest dealer today.